doing unboxing today. I believe that this is actually my first unboxing, and as you can see, the first item that we're unboxing is this Black Yeti X model. If you guys don't know, Blue Yeti is an amazing, affordable brand for you guys to use as a mic for your PC gaming setup or just your PC setup. And this one is currently on the market for around $170. The price should be appearing right below me. If I don't know, the editors can do their magic to make this thing appear for you guys. And this is the current mic that Blue Yeti, well, not this model in particular, but this brand, Blue Yeti, I actually use at home, and it's been so reliable for me. We use this one here at the office for our Amazon live streaming purposes as well. So coming from my personal experience, Blue Yeti will not let you down, guys. It's really high quality and super affordable. You can't beat, no other mic can beat this, guys. It's just really good. Again, the Blue Yeti X. So here we go for the unboxing. So the box is like very decently sized, well designed, as you can see here. They included all these informations about it, as you can see. And now I will dive into opening the mic itself. Alright, so this is what you get when you open it. I'm gonna put this right here so you guys can see that we're looking at the Blue Yeti today, the Blue Yeti X. Let me flip this over, open it up, and as you can see, this is what you get first. You get this little outlet, this little pamphlet that kind of guides you. It's like a manual guide, I suppose. You can control the gain over here. You can control the sound pattern over here. So depending on where you want the sound to be coming into the mic from, you can actually adjust it by the patterns that they provided. And even if you lose this sheet, you don't have to worry too much because they actually have this sheet on Google Images. So all you have to do is Google like Blue Yeti pattern sound system, and then all of these patterns right here that you see is available for you guys to look up on Google. So it's not even a worry if you lose this piece of paper. And again, over here they have their little safety warnings, as you can see, safety pamphlets, etc., but nobody reads those parts, but I guess we should. And the big bad boy that we're all waiting for right here, guys, we have the Blue Yeti. It looks really nice. This is black, and again, this is the Yeti X model. Super sleek. It looks really high class, really high quality. Again, I can't emphasize that enough to you guys, and I'm just gonna grab it out. It's already installed, so you don't actually have to install it to the stand. And I know sometimes that's actually a really big hassle to actually screw it and then connect it to the stand, but it's already come connected. So as you can see here, this is the Blue Yeti X. It looks really nice, really sleek, really high quality. And over here is the gain button, and over here in the back is where you can see the pattern button as well. And that's not the only thing. There's one more thing left in the box, which is dun, 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 the cord. So as you can see here, it is a USB port type adjust porter. I'm not sure what this part is called, but you can connect it to your PC through this. And you can actually connect it through the bottom here. If you guys didn't know, this mic comes with a headphone jack as well, so you can actually connect your earphones or headphones or whatever earpiece that you have to this mic directly, and you can actually hear yourself talking. So you can hear if you sound clear or if you don't sound clear, fuzzy, gain is too high, etc., etc. You can adjust it yourself by connecting your headphones to the headphone jack to the mic directly. So all I am gonna do is I am gonna take this apart. I'm gonna connect this again through the bottom. The connector is on the bottom there, and my PC is right there next to me. Bada bing, bada boom! The light has turned on, the Blue Yeti should work. And again, depending on what pattern you want. And when I say pattern, so there are different patterns where the mic can actually receive sound. So you can actually have receive the sound from both sides, from one side, from all over. But because I am streaming alone, for most of the time I set it to this pattern. As you can see, it's like a little upside down heart shaped. And now I'm good to go. Now I can use this Blue Yeti for any recording that I want to use. Right, guys? So make sure you guys get your hands on one of these Blue Yetis. Again, over here on the front, you can actually control the gain as well. So again, guys, purchase the Blue Yeti. I highly recommend using the Blue Yeti. Again, if you watch all these other video reviews, they always have Blue Yeti as one of the best microphones on the market for you guys. Look how nice it looks. Start talking, guys. Start talking on the Blue Yeti, guys. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure you like and follow us at Dual Sniper, guys. Peace out, and see you guys next time. Bye.